tell your story? What does it mean when you say issy? Issy. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. I bet you think you dummy. Why don't you
I
understand
know.
what I'm saying, huh?
And it goes like this? Like this? Yeah, oh, okay. That's a bucket.
Let's buckle down.
Can you say bucket? That's a little bucket.
It was how big? It was this big?
She's really, really into that right now.
That's the important part, yeah.
Oh, I see.
I see. Oh, it went like
Oh, you tell Mama all about it. Yeah.
Does she do this a lot?
Only sometimes.
Whoa.
And Hannah, it was that big? Like this?
Oh.
It's terrible.
She just keeps right on going. Yeah.
No. Is that the end of the
Now we
story?
all know how to clap, say. Yeah.
Yeah. Bucket. That's your bucket.
Yep.
Can you
Did
put
you-
some stuff in it?
bucket.
Can you
Yeah.
put some stuff in it?
That's an empty one.
Can you put some stuff in it? Here, put this in the bucket.
Whoops.
Put that in the bucket. Yeah. Hannah. Next. Yay. What else can you put in the bucket? Very good. Give yourself a hand. Hit. Yes.
And they went camping, and the bear. Did you see the lion?
Oh my.
Did you?
I hope someday that word becomes articulate, like it really is a real word that she means. Then we'll know. From 9 months, she was saying, oh. Oh. It's a,
Yeah.
maybe she saw Home Alone.
She did.
Oh, you
She
gotta
did.
give
She
me my
does
shoe.
show it.
Huh?
Did-
Hannah,
Yeah.
what else can you put in there?
You gotta give me my
How about
shoe.
those
Oh, thank
things?
you.
Hannah, can you dance?
Thank you.
Can you
Damn.
dance?
Dun 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 dun.